This is Mr. Novak. I'm just going to quickly demonstrate for you how to use your calculator to measure the length and midpoints of a line segment graphically rather than using algebraically, which is the purpose of this lesson. But you might want to try this to check your answers. So we're going to start with using the actual Cartesian plane because we need to plot the points on a Cartesian plane by coordinates. However, we're not going to be drawing functions, we're going to be doing geometry. And if you go to menu, we have geometry in there. So go to points, and there we can put our points. We have three ways of locating a point. The best way is for us is to use the points by coordinates. So let's do a point, say, -1, 4. Remember, x is -1, enter, and I'll actually make that 3, enter. So there's my first point. The second point I'm going to do is menu, geometry, points by coordinates. This time we're going to go for 4, enter, 0, enter, and there's our second point. I'll just do one more point just for the purpose of demonstrating. But this one, I'm not going to do it precisely. I'm just going to do points by point where I just stop it there. So we have 3 points. We're now going to join the points up with a line segment. And please understand that there is a difference between a line array and a line segment. So just very quickly, geometry, again, lines, we have line, remember they're continuous. A segment that has a start and finish, which is what we're on about, and of course, row. There are other lines, but we won't be worrying about those. I'll just quickly show you how to demonstrate a ray. So the ray starts there. We may use this other point to locate it, and there you can see the line continues on. And we can't measure its length nor its midpoint. However, when it comes to line segments, we can do so. And that's points, line segment, start. Once you highlights the word point, you are on that point, and we've drawn that line. Now, from Pythagoras' theorem, we have 1, 2, 3 units in that direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units in that direction. So it's not a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So you can see the advantage of using this. So we go menu, and here we do measurement. We're going to measure the length. So all we have to do is nominate the 2 points, and we have our length, and we'll just drop it there. Let's go to the next point, which is finding a midpoint. So here we're not measuring, we are constructing. So construction, midpoint, again, locate the line segment by its endpoint, and there is that point. Let's go get its coordinates. Here, got to just remember this one. It is in, let me see, geometry. No, it's not. That's right, action, sorry, action. So because we are working on the Cartesian plane, we want the coordinates. So all we have to do is click on that. Then you can move it across so it's out of the way and you can see the midpoint. And if you want to prove that those two line segments are of equal length, we can just quickly measure them. So that's, remember, geometry, measurement, points, oops, try again, menu, geometry, measurement, length, 1 and 2, that's 2.9 units, and menu, geometry, measurement, length, and there they are, 2.92. Obviously there's some rounding off error occurring there. So that's how you can measure the length and midpoint of a line segment using geometry. Hope that may help some of you who need some other techniques to check your progress.